Good morning. Today we are going to be cutting the 1.5" Owens Corning Foamular 250 for the van floor. It's 1.5" thick. I'm going to start with this 34.5 by 34.5 square. Go over here to where I'm going to use the hot wire to cut the foam. Now it's laid out to 34.5 inches square. We do it in Phoenix. That's it. Hello everyone. I just wanted to go through some of the tools I used today to insulate the floor of the Ford Transit. This is a 24-volt battery charger that I converted over to a hot wire cutter. This is what is called a bow. It uses a nichrome wire, I think 30 thousandths nichrome wire. You hook the 24-volt battery charger to this, and I have a foot control on-off switch. And so when I set it on the foam and I push the button down, it supplies voltage to these two wires, which allows it to cut the hot foam. One of my smaller bows for 24 to 30 inch work. This bow right here is for cutting 48-inch material. Basically like a 4x8 sheet to cut it down. Right now the wire's a little loose. I have to tighten it up on these old Volkswagen push rods. Today I had a 52-inch piece that my small bow would not cut. So I ended up fabbing this bow up today real quick just to cut some 52-inch pieces because the 48-inch piece wouldn't work. If you have any questions, leave comments below.